In this video we're going to look at one-on-one hosting space, and you arrange the hosting space into folders. Now you associate the folders with a domain name, and to illustrate it I'm going to create a subdomain, and we're going to associate the subdomain with a folder. So we're going to create a folder for the subdomain, and you do this before you actually did your WordPress install, before you install your website. So you'd arrange the web space first. So here I'm at the domain names, and this is the one I'm interested in here, the build your website domain. I'm going to create a subdomain there, but you can see I've got various domain names here. You can see they're associated with subfolders underneath the root web space. So this is because I'm hosting multiple websites on the same hosting package. Okay, so let me take a look at the domain name build your website. You can see here it's associated with a folder, and I can edit and change the folder if I wanted to. Now if I look at the subdomains, you can see it's already got several subdomains. Now the one I'm going to use is the test domain. I've already created it, it's actually already valid. Now normally when you create a subdomain you need to give it 15 minutes to half an hour before you can actually use it, but this is already there. To create a new subdomain, all you need to do is click here on new, create subdomain, give it a name. Now because I've already, you can't see that, it's very faint, but that's buildyourwebsite.co.uk, and I just give it the subdomain name, so I just call it test1, and then I click create. I'm not going to create it, but that's what you would do, because I created it earlier. So let's just go back. And let's look at this one. Now it's actually associated with the root web space by default. Now I don't want it associated with that. I need to create a folder to associate it with, and that folder is going to be the install folder for a WordPress install that I'm going to do later on. But you can equally as well put any HTML files in there for a normal HTML template website. So click there, edit, and if the domain's already there you can type it in and test. Otherwise you can create the directory. So I'm going to create the directory. I'm not going to type it in there. To create the directory you highlight that and click create directory and type in the name of the directory there, and then just save it, and we get it updated. Now it hasn't changed the destination, so we go back to it and we have to type in the name of the destination there and then save, and then it's updated the destination, and you can see that there. So we're done. So now we've created the test domain and we've associated it with a folder under the root web space. Okay, that's the end of this video. Until next time, bye.